So it was quite fun growing up in Nigeria. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, your girl Free Spiritist. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great because I'm doing fabulous. I'm back again today with another mukbang for you guys. In today's mukbang, I have some salad, I got some ribs, and a mango. So guys, if you guys are ready, I'm ready to chow down. I'm gonna go ahead, do the usual. Give you guys a pan, we'll say grace, and then we'll get to chopping. So, y'all know what to do. Pause the video, go grab yourself a snack, get something to eat, come back. Let's get it, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, let's say grace. Lord bless this food and bless the hands that made it. Amen. Let's eat, y'all. Short and sweet. What's up, you guys? How are you guys doing today? It's the beginning of the week, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope you guys are doing great because, you know, your girl is ready to go. It is the beginning of the week. How was everybody's weekend? I hope it was fabulous. Before we get rolling, if this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if this is your not first time because you've been here before, well, welcome back. And I hope you guys are ready to chow down because honestly, I just want to eat something. I have been so crazy today. It has been one of those days, y'all. So, very grateful to be chilling right now. Oh yeah, y'all see this, right? So this is like a second pair for me, y'all. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Does it look good? I don't know. I was just trying it out because I just got my prescription upgraded, y'all. So I saw this company. I think it's Zeal Lul is how you pronounce it. So I was like, ooh, let me try them out. So I saw these and I was like, oh, these are different. So y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think. Y'all like these or if y'all like the other ones better. Just let me know what y'all think. I just want to get y'all's opinion of what y'all think. All right, let's get the first bite in, y'all. There you go. Mmm. I'm gonna put this down, y'all. So what's up, y'all? How was your weekend? How was your weekend, y'all? What did y'all do? Comment down below. Because I had a very fun weekend, y'all. I did a little weekend mukbang at Toasted Yolk, and then we traveled, y'all. We went to McAllen. Y'all, this water bottle. I wash my hands off, so I'm gonna, you know how I do. But this water bottle is getting on my nerves, y'all. Like these little beef ribs. Get on every time. It just sings. And I've tried to wiggle the straw, but that doesn't help. I have to sing. So yeah, y'all. This weekend, we went to McAllen, Texas. Got my picked up my mom and my daughter. They were at my cousin's for 2 weeks. So Frankie and I drove down. It was like a 5-hour trip to McAllen, so we had a little road trip, which was fun. McAllen's like a little small town. It's pretty cool, you know. Very quiet. Low crime rate. Small town. That's nice. I think it's more of an area for somebody who wants to retire. You know? Somebody who, you know, after you've toiled and done all you can, you know, with life and worked so hard, and then you just get you a nice house and retire. That's the kind of town I think McAllen is like. It's not like Houston. I think it'll be a good place to retire, or if you want somewhere like quiet and safe to raise your kids. Very ideal. I might have to put this fork down, y'all, and use my hands because it's giving me a hard time. I love eating with my hands, y'all. It's so much easier to pick up things with your hands and put in your mouth. I mean, it's the first utensil anyway. Better. But like I was saying, McAllen's a nice place, low crime rate, quiet town, small town. I think it would be ideal place for retirement or ideal place to raise kids. Nothing like Houston. And Houston is huge. Ooh. But we were there for the weekend and we spent the night, came back the next day. So that was our big adventure. And every time we would go, when you're coming back, to come back in, you have to like go through immigration or like border patrol. And so I always feel like we went out of town. Even though, you know what I mean, like we left the country every time we go to McAllen. Because it's so close to Mexico. It's a border town, so Mexico's literally right next door. So what did you guys do this weekend? Comment down below what you did. If you did anything, if you had any big adventures. By the by, we did the weekend mukbang with Twisted Yolk, and we vlogged everything. So, if you haven't seen the video, go to my page and check it out. I have it under the food tours. So check it out. And check out the other videos, guys, that I made. It's so much fun to be able to explore other people's cuisine, other culture cuisine. And I am so excited that I start doing this, you know, once a week, exploring a different cuisine from a different world. It's really awesome. Man, this salad was so good, y'all. The salad is saladin. But y'all, I'm having so much fun being able to go out and eat. I mean, don't get it twisted. I do love cooking, y'all. But I also like to eat, you know, different types of cuisine. And it's not everything that I enjoy eating that I can recreate. So it's always exciting being able to go out and eat. I hope you guys are enjoying the music that my water bottle is making. But yeah, y'all. Oh, man. So what are y'all eating today? I forgot to ask you guys. What's on your plate? Comment down below. I'm done with my salad, y'all. That was good. Comment down below any suggestions that you guys have for where places to eat, or recipe suggestions. I know you guys have ideas, or at least you have your own recipe. Drop it down below so your girl can, you know, get a taste. Last bite, y'all. That was a good salad. Excuse me, y'all. I'm making a racket. Got me a mango. Y'all, I'm still trying to get used to the whole daylight savings. Like I said, it's awesome for the days, but man, is it killing me at night. These shorter nights, oh my God, it's like I feel like I'm playing catch up, y'all. Like, for real. Let's eat this mango, y'all. Wow. That taste just reminded me of Nigeria right there. when I was younger, we had a mango tree in front of our house in Nigeria when I was growing up, in the village. And I used to sit up there like 8, 9 years old and be eating the mangoes. Because it had like a little branch where I could just sit right next to the tree trunk, a little branch that came out like this. So I would sit there and get the mangoes within my reach. Man, I love that tree. We had that tree, and there was another tree. It was, my mom said it was called the umbrella tree because it had like big leaves that would like span out. And create shade. They used to make this little fruit. It was about, I would say like this big. And the fruit was like, it would like ripen. When it wasn't ripe, it was green. When it was ripe, it would be like yellow or orange in color. And it had like pink colored flesh on the inside, like a dark, like, I want to say like maroon color or fuchsia, pink and red mixed together. And it was so good. It was almost like a mini mango. And then, just like a mango, it had this big seed in it. And when you crack that seed open, there was an almond. That almond was so good. Man, my memories of Nigeria as a kid, there was a lot that happened that I really enjoyed so much. Just being with nature and, you know, natural food and just the way we enjoyed fruit. And the way food isn't processed, you know, it's all organic. And I don't ever remember being worried about too much food or, you know, there wasn't anything that was off limits, you know? So, it was quite fun growing up in Nigeria. And there's so much fruit that grew out of the earth naturally that wasn't farmed. Wild fruit, like exotic fruit, you know? It was fun. I loved it. And I miss it. And the funny thing is now, you won't even see half of the fruit that I knew when I was growing up. I mean, mangoes are still there. I don't know about the umbrella tree that I was talking about with the little, they were like miniature mangoes. I don't even know if there are mini trees like that out there anymore. But there's a lot of stuff that is no longer around from when I was growing up because of how westernized the country has become and the fact that they've cleared all the forests and stuff like that to build buildings and stuff, taking away all the wonderful, amazing wild fruits and vegetation. All right, y'all. I am done with the mango. And done with this meal, y'all. Oh my God, that was so good though. I have to say. I mean, I cleaned that salad. Whew. to the number on the ribs. It was good. So now we're at this part where I asked you guys, what did you guys think of the video? If you like this video, what do? Hit the like button. And if you haven't already subscribed, this is your opportunity to do what? Subscribe. Ooh, excuse me. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. And after hitting that red subscribe button, hit the bell icon next to it, which is the post notification that lets you know every time I publish videos or we publish videos, you'll be notified. For those of you who have been coming back every single time I make videos, my free spirit is tribe. I am so grateful to have you guys back here. Thank you so much for joining me again for another fabulous meal and a little bit of chit chat. Thank you guys for coming back. You guys are ever faithful. I am so appreciative of all the love and support that you guys show me. Thank y'all. You guys are the best. And for my newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome to the Free Spiritist Tribe. I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you for clicking. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, hey, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe for me, and let's be together so we can connect through food, so we can, come up with these recipes, so we can come up with ideas of where we're going to eat next. I say where because, I like to eat at different parts. I like to eat from different countries, different cities. So where are we going to eat next? Versus what? Because, we don't know what we're eating until we know where we are eating. So, guys, I think I'm going to have to wrap it up right now, and I'm going to talk to you guys on the next video. Y'all have a blessed rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your day. I hope that all that you have planned follows through as you have planned it. If you're going to be hanging out there, please be safe. Don't forget to wear your mask, y'all. Yeah. And if you're going out, try and go in pairs because it's crazy. It's crazy out there, y'all. So y'all enjoy the rest of your day. Be safe. And until the next video, we shall meet again. Bye, y'all.